Hello and good day to you. This is 10kbm and we are your friends. And today we are going to be talking about networking. Some time ago I talked about poverty as a network and riches as a network. So I'm going to be talking much more on this right now. Now, do you want to be wealthy? Do you want to make so much money? Do you want to be on the top list of the people who are wealthy right now? Comment below. Comment with your name and what you currently do. And tell us if you really want to be wealthy. Because the truth is, if you really want to be wealthy, you start getting a network of wealthy people. That's the thing you want to do right now. There are people that have done it before. Ask them how they went about it. Get to make friends with them, even if they are far away. Travel there. Look for how to get their contacts. Call them so that you know what they have done, how they have gone through it, and how they got there. And start building your networks today. Start building your networks with wealthy people, with people who are already there. No matter the field you want to go into, there are people already there. You need to build a network with those people so that you will get there on time. If not, you have to make the same mistakes they have made. You have to go through the same things they have gone through and not still get there at the end. So you need to ask them, you need to build a network with these people. You need to get to know them. Even if you have to pay for them to mentor you, even if you have to travel, you need to travel to just go and see them and ask them these questions. Just try to know how they got there. Build a network with them. Become their friends. Become their mentorees. Build a network with them and leave those people who are currently poor with you. You need to take a step forward. You need to leave from where you are right now and move forward. Take a step forward. If you don't move forward, nobody is going to take a step for you. You're going to remain here and complain all you want. Nothing is going to change. Nothing is going to happen. Not until you change your network. So you want to be wealthy, start making friends with wealthy people. If you meet somebody who is wealthy and you ask them, how are you? I follow you on Twitter, I follow you on Instagram, and I have really listened to you talk. I've really noticed you and I want to know more about you. They will be happy. If you tell them, I just want to learn from you, they will be happy to hear, because everybody who is wealthy have 1% pride to say, I taught this person. So they want to teach you. They want to give you for free most times. And even if they ask you to pay, you need to pay. Build a network with them. Get to know those who are already ahead of you and leave those who are already below you. Because if you keep mingling with those people who are already below you, you end up getting confirmed to the level which they are in. You need to move from where you are right now and move to a higher state. You can't remain at this point all your life. You need to change your network. If your network is already being with the people who are wealthy, move upward and keep getting to know more people who are already wealthy, who are in the same business field you want to go in right now. Get to know what they have gone through. Get to learn from them. This is 10kbm and we are your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do have a nice day.